Don't be smart. Don't be smart. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Enjoy it a lot. Enjoy it a lot. When will we meet again? When will we meet again? Don't favor me. Don't favor me. Let me think. Let me think. I have to think. I have to think. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. Can I ask a favor? Can I ask a favor? Start a job. Start a job. Find a job. Find a job. It's raining. It's raining. It's morning. It's morning. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. See him off. See him off. Let him take time. Let him take time. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. Serve the food. Serve the food. Learn driving. Learn driving. How to roll the chapati. How to roll the chapati. Don't shout. Don't shout. Close the window. Close the window. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. Open the cover. Open the cover. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. He has diabetes. He has diabetes. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. You will learn English. You will learn English. You are coward. You are coward. Shut the door. Shut the door. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Stop the chatter. Stop the chatter. It's thundering. It's thundering. Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. Try to understand. Try to understand. Use your brain. Use your brain. Don't forget. Don't forget. Operate the machine. Operate the machine. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. Roll the breads. Roll the breads. He is gonna win. He is gonna win. Gonna means going to. He will win. He will win. She is dumb. She is dumb. Protect others. Protect others. Birds flew. Birds flew. He is irritating. He is irritating. What's new? What's new? It will do the work. It will do the work. Don't touch. Don't touch. I tried. I tried. He is emotional. He is emotional. He is sad. He is sad. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.